Hello everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about a very useful feature in Selenium skip test case. Whether you are working on automation test scenarios or managing a large sort of tests, knowing how to skip test case can save you a lot of time. So let's begin. Open PyCharm, right click on Python project and create a new Python file, new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name, skip underscore test case, and then click on Python file. Now import Pytest. After importing the Pytest, we need to import the WebDriver from Selenium import WebDriver. Now import time for adding some delays in the script. Now use the fixtures to set up the driver and open the URL at the rate pytest dot fixture and scope is equal to module. Now initialize the WebDriver first. Initialize the WebDriver and then open the URL by using driver.getURL. Now create a function here, def test underscore setup, and then initialize the WebDriver here. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot here multiple browsers are available. Either you can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Click on Chrome. Now use the driver.get URL. First create a variable URL and then enter URL here. By using driver.get URL, we can navigate to the URL, enter the URL. Suppose we want to open this application, so enter URL here and then we use the URL variable here. Now use the while the driver to test the function while driver. After completion test, we need to quit the browser. So here use driver dot do it. Now I will show you how you can skip the test cases. Use pytest at the rate pytest dot mark dot skip. You can use this skip for skip the particular test case, and here enter the reason for skipping the test case. Inside this round bracket you can add the reason for skipping this test case. You can enter any comment here. This is the reason for skipping the test case. Now create def test underscore skip and print some text here. Print skip this test case. Skip this test case because here we use the mark dot skip. It means this test case will not run when we executing the multiple test case. Let's add an other method here, def test underscore title. In this case, we just get the title of the page, test underscore setup, and then get the driver instance from the fixtures. We need to define here driver is equal to test underscore setup. Now we can get the driver instance from the fixtures. Let's add some weight here for getting the title of the page. Add time dot slip to second wait here, and then get the title. We can easily get the title by using dot title. Here we first get the title of the page and then print the title in a console. F page title, and then use this variable here, title. In this scenario, first we initialize the WebDriver here. After this, navigate to the URL, and then after completion the all test case, we need to close the browser. So here we use driver.quit. Driver.quit basically used for close the browser, and it will end the browser session. In the second method here, we use the pytest.mark.is skip. It means this test case will not run, and then get the title of the page. Let's save this file and run this test case. Right click and then click on run Python test skip. First it will open the browser, and then here you can view ignore one title of the page. Here print the title of the page and only one test case running. That's it for today's tutorial on how to skip test case in PyTest. I hope this tutorial made it simple to understand and use skipping in your test case efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Python and PyTest tutorials. If you have any questions or video suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.